Is it time to buy or sell CrowdStrike stock? In this video, we're diving deep into CrowdStrike. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 23rd of August, 2024, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 22nd of August, 2024, our system has ranked CrowdStrike as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -3.5. Let's take a look at the stock's performance during this period. Surprisingly, the stock has outperformed our system's predictions, achieving a gain of 1.46%. This translates to an average return of 0.73% per day since it was designated as a sell candidate. The stock has broken a significant and declining short-term trend upward. Initially, a slower rate of decline is indicated, which could potentially signal an early shift in the trend. In the event of a reaction, there will be support at the ceiling of the current trend that has been broken, which is $268.40. This level may present a second opportunity for gains. According to fan theory, $354.98 will be the next possible peak level, representing a resistance point that may not be surpassed on the first attempt. The current 3-month trend indicates a potential decline of 35.71% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from -56.95% to -36.45%. Regarding the 12-month trend, it suggests a change of 73.81% over the next year, with a potential return between 46.27% and 168.25%. This translates to a price range of $397.19 to $728.42 after a year. Our latest daily update for CrowdStrike includes the headline: CrowdStrike stock price ended at $271.54 on Friday, after gaining 1.46%. The CrowdStrike stock price gained 1.46% on the last trading day, which was Friday, the 23rd of August, 2024. It rose from $267.64 to $271.54. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated by 2.54%, reaching a low of $266.81 and a high of $273.60. The price has increased in 7 of the last 10 days and is up by 12.72% over the past 2 weeks. Volume fell on the last day by 1 million shares, with a total of 3 million shares bought and sold for approximately $872,630,000. It is important to take into account that falling volume amid rising prices may indicate divergence and could serve as an early warning about potential changes in the coming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price for the stock was $398.30, while the lowest price was $141.97. Currently, the price is 31.83%, or $126.76, below the 52-week high of $398.30, which also stands as the all-time high for the stock. CrowdStrike Holdings is set to release its second quarter earnings report on August 28th, marking its first update since a critical outage due to a faulty software update. This incident raised concerns among investors about the potential impact on customer retention and sales growth. Notably, the upcoming report will be scrutinized for any signs of recovery or continued decline in its user base. In the backdrop, SentinelOne's upcoming earnings, which precede CrowdStrike's report, could play a pivotal role. As SentinelOne showcases strong growth in its Singularity platform and accelerating annual recurring revenue, a favorable performance could hint at market shifts away from CrowdStrike. Additionally, CrowdStrike is currently facing legal repercussions from multiple class action lawsuits, compounding its reputation issues and potential liabilities. Analysts suggest that the stock is witnessing pressure, with resistance around $300 and support near $230. This technical analysis could prove crucial in guiding investor sentiment ahead of earnings. The negative sentiment stemming from the outage and the ongoing legal battles may influence short-term stock performance negatively, while long-term prospects will heavily depend on the company's ability to rectify its reputation and demonstrate resilient customer growth in subsequent earnings reports. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, the 21st of August, 2024, it was reported that Bank of America Securities assigned CRWD a buy grade alongside a hold action. On Tuesday, the 20th of August, 2024, it was reported that Needham also gave C a buy grade with a hold action. On the same day, Tuesday, the 20th of August, 2024, Cantor Fitzgerald rated CRWD as overweight with a hold action. On Monday, the 19th of August, 2024, Scotiabank assigned CRWD an underperform grade with a downgrade action. On that same day, Monday, the 19th of August, 2024, Bernstein rated CR as outperform with a hold action. Analysts have assigned CrowdStrike stock a general sell rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts have given the stock a neutral rating. The following signals have been identified for CrowdStrike. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Volume declined during the last trading day, even though prices increased. This creates a divergence between volume and price, which may serve as an early warning sign. It is advisable to monitor the stock closely. Some negative signals have also been issued, which could influence short-term developments. The CrowdStrike stock shows a buy signal from the short-term moving average. However, the long-term average indicates a general sell signal. Since the long-term average is above the short-term average, this presents a more negative forecast for the stock. Should the stock continue to rise, it will encounter resistance from the long-term moving average at $282.52. Conversely, if the stock declines, it will find some support from the short-term average at $266.96. A breakthrough above the long-term average would generate another buy signal, whereas a drop below the short-term average would produce an additional sell signal, reinforcing the general trend. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Wednesday, August 21st, 2024, and thus far, it has decreased by 0.611%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Here are some additional signals you might find intriguing. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots showed a sell signal 3 days ago. Bollinger indicated a buy signal 26 days ago. The short-term moving average provided a buy signal 15 days ago. The long-term moving average issued a sell signal 29 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages suggested a buy signal 28 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average indicated a buy signal 9 days ago. The long-term moving average provided a sell signal 27 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages suggested a buy signal 19 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for CrowdStrike. CrowdStrike finds support from accumulated volume at $268.88. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be expected when the support is tested. This stock can experience significant movement throughout the day, indicating volatility, and due to a wide prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, it is considered to have a high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated $6.79 between its high and low, which is equivalent to 2.54%. For the past week, the daily average volatility of the stock has been 3.08%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for CrowdStrike, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price relative to its earnings per share. The extremely high PE ratio indicates that the stock might be overvalued. However, it is not unusual for technology companies or those with significant market potential to display such high ratios. In other news, the next earnings report for the third quarter of 2024 is anticipated on the 28th of August, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates are at 98 cents. It is important to monitor these figures as they can greatly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for CrowdStrike. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for CrowdStrike is at $304.96. If you do not currently hold any shares, you might want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already own the stock, this could be a point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, CrowdStrike faces its first support level at $268.88. If this support level remains intact, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a potential rebound. The combined average rating for CrowdStrike from multiple analyst sources is to sell. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 15th of August, 2024, Henry Schein sold 4,000 shares of Class A common stock. On the 15th of July, 2024, Henry Schein sold 4,000 shares of Class A common stock. On the 12th of July, 2024, Kurtz George sold 60,000 shares of Class B common stock. On the 12th of July, 2024, Kurtz George sold 40,000 shares of Class B common stock. On the 12th of July, 2024, Kurtz George purchased 60,000 shares of Class A common stock. Based on the latest 100 insider trades, the insider power has been calculated to be negative, with a ratio of negative 25.274. In total, insiders acquired 344,184 shares and sold 578,529 shares in the last 100 trades. We currently hold a negative outlook for this stock, and no stop loss has been established. Is CrowdStrike stock a good buy? CrowdStrike displays several negative indicators and is currently situated within a broad and downward trend, leading us to believe its performance will remain weak in the upcoming days or weeks. Consequently, we maintain a negative outlook on this stock. Following an analysis of the volatility and trading movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Monday, the 26th of August, we anticipate that CrowdStrike will open lower by 89 cents, starting at a price of $270.65. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.